DIY plumbing at 247plumbers.net, telephone 877-596-0117, call to speak with a plumber. Hi there. Are you looking to replace your shower valve? This is a common plumbing task that can often be done by homeowners with some basic knowledge and tools. In this explainer video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to replace a shower valve in about 30 minutes. Before we get started, there are a few things you'll need to gather. New shower valve, pipe wrench, adjustable wrench, screwdriver, Teflon tape, pipe joint compound. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Before you begin, it's important to turn off the water supply to your shower. This can usually be done by turning the valves under the sink, or you may need to turn off the main water supply to your home. Step 2. Remove the old valve. Use a pipe wrench to loosen and remove the old valve from the wall. If the valve is stuck, you may need to use an adjustable wrench to gently wiggle it back and forth while loosening it. Be careful not to damage the pipes or the wall while removing the valve. Step 3. Clean the pipes. Before installing the new valve, it's important to make sure the pipes are clean and dry. Use a rag to wipe down the pipes and remove any debris or residue. Step 4. Install the new valve. Use Teflon tape to wrap the threads of the new valve and then attach it to the pipes using an adjustable wrench. Make sure to tighten the connections securely, but be careful not to over-tighten and damage the pipes. Step 5. Install the handle. Next, attach the handle to the valve using the mounting screws and a screwdriver. Make sure the handle is securely attached and can easily turn the valve on and off. Step 6. Test for leaks. Before you call it a day, it's important to test for any leaks. Turn the water supply back on and let the shower run for a few minutes. If you don't see any water leaking, you're all set. If you do see any leaks, go back and tighten any connections that may be causing the leak. You can also use pipe joint compound to help seal any connections and prevent leaks. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your shower valve. With these simple steps, you can easily update your shower in just 30 minutes. I hope this explainer video has been helpful and that you now feel confident in replacing your own shower valve. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, don't hesitate to ask a professional plumber for assistance. Good luck with your project.